Hi, I'm Rick with LATICRETE Technical Services, and I have a short video to show you if you are having a problem with a thermostat possibly not reading correct. I say possibly because sometimes a customer may think it's not reading what it's reading, and the only way to tell is if you have an infrared thermometer and shoot it at the floor where the probe is, and you'll know if it's accurate. If it is off a few degrees, or you have like two thermostats and maybe their probes are reading different and that bothers the customer, one's reading 80 and one's reading like 78, there is a simple fix you could do. So you will hit the home button, settings, advanced settings, and offset. And from here you could either change the air or the floor probe, whatever you're dealing with, to change it, to maybe increase it a couple degrees or decrease it a couple degrees to make sure that they're reading properly. And that is all.